cocktail. May scallop tayo dito. Lobster. Rock lobster ang tawag. Rock lobster. Ayan, mayroong clams. New Zealand blue mussels. May prawn. Pero hindi ko feel ito naman snow crab. Hindi ko feel crab. Kasi hindi talaga ako mahilig sa crab. Ito, pag titignan mo, akala mo masarap. Actually, wala siyang lasa. Tasteless siya. Ito ang kanilang evening cocktail. Ito naman ang prawn maki, California rolls, lobster, ulit, baby octopus, inari sushi. Ayan. May wasabi. Saka yung ginger na pickle. So, ayan, no, naka-set up na siya for evening cocktail. So, i-tour ko lang kayo. So, yung mga cheese, yung mahilig sa cheese. Ito, yung cheese station. At saka, ito yung the best. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, Wagyu. Wagyu beef prime rib. Baked salmon. Siguro magsa-salmon na lang ako. Kasi kanina kumain ako ng beef. Ayan, roast lamb. Roast rack of lamb. Ayan. And then, ito grabe yung dambuhala. Grabe. Pakita ko sa inyo. Isa full salt Mars lamb. Okay. Yogurt. Grabe, no?
烤牛肉，这坨是羊肉，羊排大概是应该是。
Ready na iwa niya. Iwa ni chef.
烤肉。
Beef rump. Ito yung beef rump na tinatawag. Sarap yan.
Thank you.
Then the other side is the local food. Ito. May mga local food. This one is a Indian cuisine pala. Mga Indian cuisine to. Ayan. Dami, no? Ayan, may biryani. Ito cheese yan paneer. Then, sa mga cold cuts, kung mahilig kayo sa cold cuts, ayan, ito. Siyempre, smoked salmon. Ayan. Wala ko ng smoked salmon. Yun ang aking choice. May bread pa rin. Ang bread talaga hindi nawawala. Ayan. Sa mga milig sa tinapay. Ayan. Hingin na ako ng salmon. Dali, ang hirap kunin ng ano. Naghihiwa siya ng ano, beef prime rib.
Thank you.
Salmon, please. Ayan. Ayan ang hiningi ko.
One more for you.
Oh, no, enough. Thank you. Ayokong mag-meat kasi nag-meat na ako kanina eh. Kuha lang ako ng ano, tomato. Kasi tomato kasi ako eh. And then, ang aking favorite, pesto. Mahilig talaga ako sa pesto. Kanina nag-smoke salmon na ako. Ay, maalat. Palang ko ng black olives. Ano pa ba? Babalik ako mamaya. Wala silang ano. Saka yun. Ito yung favorite ko. Wow, you see this? Macaron. Mamaya balik tayo sa dessert. Si Habi kumakain. Morning. Pula ng lips ko kasi mapula lang talaga yung lipstick. So, let's see. Ito nga palang aking omelette. Ayan, may omelette. This one. Lugawan.
Yeah. We have like parfait station.
Huh?
Parfait station.
Okay. The club lounge there, smaller one.
What club lounge? These are connected actually. This
No,
one.
upstairs, the 37th floor. Remember that they went with the laksa? One bacon, there's a bacon. Huh? One.
I only saw beef bacon.
Hmm?
Beef bacon.
Beef. Brown sugar.
I want to order espresso.
I don't know. Too strong, ah, espresso.
Nice one. Little lah. Finishing. Yogurt and coffee.
Yeah, you better take your part. You don't want omelette?
No, I don't want.
The one.
Confirm you cannot finish right? That's why I asked you. The one.
I can.
Okay.
Can order one cappuccino.
That is cappuccino.
Yeah, you want?
I want espresso.
It's too strong for you.
What too strong?
Yeah.
Normal lah. Espresso gampang.
Pinagda mozzarella cheese.
Where got mozzarella?
Instead, may omelette.
You got no pasta here.
But,
I want like oyster. I want to try oyster.
oyster early morning. Kasi may omelette lang po. You want omelette? This one's spicy.
You? Hey, normal laksa. Those two, where they go?
You want mashed potato? Hash brown.
The croquette.
The smoked salmon na ito.
Yeah. Now I don't know what to take.
You go around.
I got pisang goreng, no? I thought.
You take the one you sell them with.
They got nasi kerabu also.